let's roll the intro. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what is in my Ipsy bag and my Ipsy Glam Plus bag for the month of April, plus give you guys a little bit of life update as well. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett, and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you could check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the fam and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. Yes, I know I took another week off in April and I do apologize for that, but let me give you guys a little life update. I did have my nephews over last weekend and I did have to recover from that. I love them. They can be a handful though, but I do love them so much. Also, I went to the dentist and I got a really good cleaning on my teeth. I feel like a new woman because like they did an amazing job. Those are gaps in my teeth. They're not cavities or anything. Those are gaps in my teeth. When I had my labret pierced and when I had my lip pierced, I did what you weren't supposed to do, and that was chew on it. So it did eat away at some of the enamel right in between my teeth. So yeah, I got gaps right there. But I feel, like I said, I feel like a new woman. I can smile better. I can talk better because I'm not too ashamed of what was going on down there. I had a lot of buildup. It was just gross. A lot of just nastiness from hematomas, from my gums bleeding because of my low platelets. It just wasn't cute. But I do have to go back to get another deep cleaning soon. And then I have to get my wisdom teeth taken out next month, which is not looking forward to that. I did also have treatment not too long ago. That went well. We're in this new building now, and this building is huge. It is massive. It's called the Brock Cancer Center. And oh my God, it just 10 times better than the old building that we were in. And I just, it's a little overwhelming because it is a new building, but it is so much better because we're not all feeling cramped when we're getting treatment. And it's just, it's a really good thing. I really do like the new building. Also, another thing I want to tell you guys about, the Hubster and I have a little bit of a good stuff going on right now. I don't want to give it away too much. Let's just say you're not going to see the setup come the end of this year. I'm just saying. We are moving, but I'm not letting you guys know just what else is going on, but we are going to be moving this year. I know I have said that like for the past 4 years, but it's finally happening. We're finally moving this year. I'm so excited. So with that all out of the way, let's go ahead and see what is inside my Ipsy Glam bag, my Ipsy Plus bag, and what I got in my refreshments for the month of April. Alrighty, starting off with refreshments first, I got another bottle of the Pearly Body Wash. I love this stuff, and my nephew Mikey likes it. So yeah, I had to get another bottle. And they just came out with deodorant. It's called the Breezy Deodorant, and this is in the scent Pacific Fizz. I figured it would pair well with the citrus spritz that I have. This is a aluminum-free deodorant, so I am very glad because I do use the Lumi deodorant, which is also aluminum free. I can just swap out what day I want to use it. Let's go ahead and smell this. Ooh, this smells really good. I can't wait to try this. I will probably interchange with the Lumi and this one, and it is vegan as well, and of course cruelty free. Moving on to my Ipsy Glam bag. I do like the design and I like the fabric of it. It's a canvas bag this month, and it has a little lip zipper on it. That's cute. Like I said, I do like the design this month. It's fresh, it's funky, pretty cool. So let's go ahead and get the card out first. It says April 2021, Force of Nature. Whether you love your naked face or feel naked without your red lipstick. Do what feels natural to you. When confidence is the first step in your routine, you can't be stopped. That is awesome. First item we got is from Koki Cosmetics, and it is the Cover and Conceal Beauty Sponge. This is a cruelty-free brand. I have been wanting to get a few of their products and try them out. A couple of you guys have been asking me to try this brand out, so I know they've been out for a couple years now, but I am going to pick some stuff up and try out from this brand, so I am going to keep this. The next item I have is from Hey Honey, and it is the Boosted Up Honey Rich Moisturizer. All day long lasting nourishment and hydration. It says Boosted Up is a luxurious facial cream that will plump, brighten, and moisturize depleted skin. Interesting. I might keep this to try this out. All right, next up is a product I don't like. I have tried this product before and I wanted to like it so much, but I just couldn't like it. And it is from Milk Makeup, and it is the Kush mascara, or the Kush mascara, however you say it. I tried it when it first came out. I didn't like it. It flaked off my lashes. It clumped up my lashes, and I'm just not a fan of this mascara. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway box. The next item I have, and I do believe it's the last, nope, we got one more. It is from the brand Feel, which I've never heard of this brand before. And it is the 4D Hyaluronic Acid Under Eye Cream. It is cruelty free and it is vegan, which is good. Let me hold it the right way. I'm actually going to try this out to use underneath my eyes before I do my makeup, because I am getting ready to run out of my Poreless eye cream that I have been using. So yeah, I'm going to give this a whirl. And last, is actually the item that I picked out for my bag. And it is from Sunday Riley, and it is the high dose, or the A+ high dose retinoid serum. I do need to start using a retinoid again because my redness is getting pretty bad. So I can't wait to try this out. Pretty cool. Alrighty, now for my Ipsy Glam Plus bag. If I can get it open. Let's take the card out. If there is a card in here. Is there a card in here? Yeah. Take the card out. It's going to be the same. The first item we have is from Beau. I can never say this right because I've gotten a brush from them before. Beau Gachais, I think. I don't know. And it is a set of eye brushes. I am actually going to... I don't know if I'm going to keep these or if I'm going to pop them in the giveaway box, because I really do like this eyebrow brush that's in here with the spoolie on the end of it, because you can never have enough of those, considering I use so many different products to do my brows, depending on what I want to do that day with my brows. So I don't know. I might keep this. I might not. I don't know. Up in the air. Next up. Okay. From Soapbox Soaps. I have worked with this brand before, back a couple years ago. This is the Argan Oil Control and Soften Shampoo Bar. That is interesting. It says, our Argan oil, highly acclaimed for taming frizz and promoting soft-to-touch hair, will help you maintain your tresses for a sleek, soft look. Packed with vitamin E, this oil helps seals in shine and create a lush look with each wash. It's interesting because I've never tried a shampoo bar before. This brand is cruelty-free, and I do believe this is vegan too. Yes, it is vegan. I've never really tried a shampoo bar before, so I think I'm going to give this a try. All right, next up. Ooh, this is from the brand Derma E, and I have actually heard a lot of good things about this brand. I've never tried their skincare, but I have heard a lot of great things about it. And it is their Hydrating Night Cream with hyaluronic acid and green tea. It is cruelty-free and vegan. That is awesome. I really need to try like a nice night cream because I've just been using like a water gel moisturizer and it hasn't really been working all that well. Plus, I also need something for the hubster. The hubster has severe dry skin, especially when he shaves. So I'm going to have him try this as well at night. Next up, we have, ooh, from Lauren Conrad Beauty. It is the lipstick in the shade Shell. I have been wanting to try her brand, so this is a good start. It is cruelty free. It doesn't say if it's vegan or not. I don't think it's vegan, but it does say it's cruelty free. Let's see what this color is. Ooh, I do like the packaging. It is nice and sleek and simple. That is just awesome. Ooh, that is a pretty, pretty color. I do like this color. I am going to keep this. Very pretty for those days when I just want to do like a nice, soft, natural-ish look. Okay, and last, from Dr. Botanicals, I can't talk. This is the Rescue Butter Lemon Superfood All-in-One. I've never heard of this brand before. They are cruelty-free, and this is vegan, so that's really cool. It says multi-use balm used as a moisturizer. It says you can use it as a moisturizer on your face. You could use it as a treatment on your hands, your lips, your elbows, and heels. Or you can use it as a cleanser. That is interesting. Very interesting. I am definitely going to have to try this out, because I have never heard of something that you could use on your face, on your body, but then turn around and use it as a cleanser. That's interesting. So I'm going to have to try this out and let you guys know how this is. I am going to clean all this up now, and then I will be right back, and we're going to run down the pricing of these products and what I think about this month. Alrighty, let's go ahead and run down the prices of these products from my Ipsy bags this month. The Feel 4D Hyaluronic Acid Under Eye Cream for a 1 fluid ounce jar is $45, which is, that's pretty steep. This better make my dark circleitis like go away for that price. The Hey Honey Moisturizer for a 1.7 fluid ounce bottle is $52. I don't know what is with these skincare companies. It's like, this better, excuse me, this better have my skin hydrated all day, as it claims on this little bitty tube. And, excuse me, I got the hiccups. And yeah, it just, I don't get it. I don't get these brands. The Kokie Cosmetics Beauty Sponge is $5. The Milk Kush Mascara, a full-size tube is $25. They also have a mini size for $13. It's a little bit bigger than this. This is a 3 milliliter tube. The mini size is a 4 milliliter tube. So, and the Sunday Riley A+ high dose retinoid serum. We all know Sunday Riley is stupid expensive. For a 1 fluid ounce bottle is $85. And she also has a bigger size that's like $122. Yeah, Sunday Riley is stupid expensive, but her stuff works. And for my Ipsy Glam Plus bag, the Dr. Botanicals Rescue Butter All-in-One is $16 for this size right here, which, if it claims to do what it says it does, may be worth it for this little amount, because this is only 1.69 fluid ounces. The Bow whatever brush set is $30. You get 5 brushes, 4 eye brushes, and a brow brush with a spoolie on the end. The Lauren Conrad lipstick is $20, which I think is a little bit steep considering the size of it. You're only getting 3.2 grams in this container, And I do know that there are other brands out there that have more lipsticks for less the price. The Derma E Hydrating Night Cream. This is a 2-ounce jar for $29.50. That is a really good deal, considering this is $52 for a 1.7 fluid ounce bottle. Yeah, I can't wait to try this out. And the Soapbox shampoo bar is $15. Overall, I really did enjoy this month's bags. I got a lot of products that I am so excited to try out. There's only one, maybe two items that I'm going to put in the giveaway. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this all-in-one butter, rescue butter. That's what I want to say. Really excited to try this, and I'm really excited to try the Derma E Hydrating Night Cream. Overall, but like I said, overall, it was a really good month this month. I really did like all my products. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget, all my social media handles will be down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you happen to see one with my face in this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, all the products I used for this makeup look will be listed down in the description box as well. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye. I think I did something on my shoulder, my sleeve, because it hurts. Oh, I didn't realize it at first, but this has Cokie embedded in the sponge. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's pretty cool. Now, if only they could put in products, the names that I can say. It would be fantabulous.